Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you are doing fine today. Today is January 18, 2026. So I'm preparing breakfast for my husband. He likes pancake. So this is my pancake that I serve. I'm gonna start with 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And then I'm gonna put the 3.5 teaspoon baking powder, and then I put the salt here, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I have one tablespoon of white sugar, and then I'm gonna sift it together. Oh, we don't want the lumps in the flour, that's why we are sifting it. So if you are new in my channel, welcome to my channel. And to my subscriber, thank you very much for your support. So now I'm done. So something left in here, this is the sugar. So we're gonna return that. And then set this aside. And I have here 1 and 1/4 cup of milk. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm gonna whisk it. I'm gonna add 1 egg too. Only 1 egg. Whisk them together. And this time I'm gonna use an pork to mix this. And mix it well. And then we're gonna settle this to activate the baking powder. Okay, we will return after. So while waiting for my pancake resting here for 15 minutes, let's take a look on my view here. So after resting this for 15 minutes, we're gonna start cooking. So you see there's that, don't worry about the lumps here, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna add this olive oil for cooking, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna spread it. Okay, then set this aside because we're gonna use that again. So when it's hot, in even sizes if you use the scooper. So here, and then lower your heat because it's gonna burn the bottom. Then it will gonna start the bubbles. That is very quick. Less than 2 minutes, it's ready to flip it. So if you're still watching, write in the comment where you're from, and please like my video and share it with your friends. So now you see there's a lot of bubble already. Now I'm gonna start to flip it. It's like fluffy pancake. So if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell as well, so you will receive notification if I have a new video. You see, now it's ready. Another. So I'm gonna again. O, Duncan, ready na. Then another one. Butter. Okay, now this one is ready to flip. So I made my syrup as well there. Okay. Ready. Another one there. Always wipe the pan before you cook another pancake, because it's gonna burn. Another one here. And the syrup there. Put a lot, see. This one is ready to flip again. This one is perfect color because the pan is really hot. Bon appetit. You see. So this is for me. Okay, so I already cooked 3 because my husband only eat 2 and me 1. So I have a lot of leftover. This is perfect for tomorrow. Normally, I use this for 3 days. We finish this for 3 days. But it's alright. You can keep it in the fridge. Like that. Like this. So this is our breakfast for 3 days. Just cover this in the fridge. Like that. And ready for tomorrow. Hasta luego. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks for watching.